Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Filmora on Windows for beginner video editing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Filmora on Windows, begin by opening your web browser. Visit the official Filmora website. Locate the download section on the home page. Click on the download button for the Windows version. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Double-click the Filmora setup file. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the installation. The Filmora installation wizard will open. Click Next to proceed with the installation. Review the license agreement and select I accept the agreement. Click Next to continue. Choose the destination folder for the installation or leave it as default. Click Next to confirm your selection. Select any additional tasks you want to create, such as a desktop shortcut. Click Next to proceed. Now, click the Install button to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is done, click Finish to exit the setup. Filmora should now be installed on your computer. Locate the Filmora icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Double-click the icon to launch the application. You may be asked to sign in or create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your details, if applicable. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Filmora on your Windows computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.